severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 5 miles west of Roanoke, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. The tornado Texas, western and central Dallas County in north central Texas, Denton County in north central Texas, eastern Tarrant County in north central Texas, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:41 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 4 miles north of Justin to Flower Mound to Mansfield, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Grapevine and Copper Canyon around 2:50 p.m., Highland Village and Grand Prairie around 2:55 p.m., Cedar Hill State Park, Hickory Creek and Cowbell around 3 p.m., Shady Shores and Lewisville around 3:05 p.m. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. This replaces all other severe thunderstorm warnings that are in effect for Tarrant and Denton counties. This replaces the tornado warning for Denton County as well. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Tuesday evening for eastern Texas. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth at 2:41 p.m. National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from 4 miles north of Justin to Flower Mound to Mansfield, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Grapevine and Copper Canyon around 2:50 p.m., Highland Village and Grand Prairie around 2:55 p.m., Cedar Hill State Park, Hickory Creek and Cowbell around 3 p.m., Shady Shores and Lewisville around 3:05 p.m. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. This replaces all other severe thunderstorm warnings that are in effect for Tarrant and Denton counties. This replaces the tornado warning for Denton County as well. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Tuesday evening for eastern Texas. The National